Testosterone, a man's closest buddy, energy and confidence, but what precisely makes it so vital for men? The male hormone testosterone, it's a term that resonates with masculinity, power, and vitality. This hormone is generated largely in the testicles and is responsible for the development of masculine traits. It affects everything from muscular growth to the deepening of the voice throughout puberty. But despite the cliches, testosterone is an essential hormone that plays a significant function in men's health. It's not only about physical features, testosterone affects mental health, emotional well-being, and general quality of life. From growing muscle and bone density to affecting mood and sex desire, testosterone is the quiet orchestrator of many body activities. It helps preserve muscular strength and bulk, which is why men with greater levels frequently find it simpler to create and keep muscle. It's the driving force behind a man's physical and mental well-being. Testosterone also plays a role in fat distribution, red blood cell synthesis, and even the preservation of bone density, which is vital for avoiding illnesses like osteoporosis. Think of testosterone as the gasoline that fuels a man's engine. Just like a vehicle requires the correct sort and quantity of gasoline to function smoothly, men need optimum amounts of testosterone to feel their best and perform at their top. Just as a vehicle requires adequate fuel to operate efficiently, men need ideal testosterone levels to perform at their best. When these levels are adjusted, males have higher energy, improved mood, and better cognitive performance. When testosterone levels are balanced, men feel energetic, robust, and cognitively sharp. They can confront everyday obstacles with zest and have a cheerful attitude on life. They have good sexual function and enjoy an overall feeling of vigor. A normal testosterone level leads to a healthy libido and sexual performance, which are crucial parts of personal relationships and general satisfaction. However, much as a car's performance dwindles with low fuel, men might suffer a drop in their physical and emotional well-being. When testosterone levels go below the normal range, symptoms of low testosterone might be modest at first, but grow more prominent with time. This illness, known as low testosterone or hypogonadism, may appear in a number of ways, influencing many parts of a man's life. Men may suffer weariness, sadness, irritability, and a reduction in muscular mass and strength. Understanding the role of testosterone and identifying the signals of its reduction is vital for men of all ages. Early identification and management may help control symptoms and improve quality of life. It's the first step towards taking charge of your health and guaranteeing a healthy and rewarding life. By being aware and proactive, men may maintain their testosterone levels and enjoy the advantages of this potent hormone throughout their lives. Feeling drained? Low testosterone's hidden symptoms. Low testosterone may be a quiet creeper, steadily draining your energy and altering your mood without you noticing the main reason. It's not simply about feeling a little, it's about a steady deterioration that might leave you feeling like a shell of your former self. It's like a robber in the night robbing you of your vigor and enthusiasm for life. You can find yourself questioning why you're constantly so fatigued, why your excitement for activities you previously enjoyed has decreased, but don't be deceived by its mild beginning. The signals might be simple to disregard or ascribe to other things like stress or age. One of the most prevalent indicators of insufficient testosterone is chronic weariness. This isn't simply about requiring an extra cup of coffee in the morning. It's a deep, pervasive fatigue that doesn't go away with rest. You wake up feeling weary, drag yourself through the day, and fall on the sofa in the evening, lacking the stamina to participate in things you formerly liked. Even the simplest things might seem burdensome. This tiredness reaches deeper than merely feeling fatigued. It's a tiredness that creeps into your bones and makes even easy activities seem Herculean. You may find it hard to get out of bed in the morning or to gather the energy to conduct household duties. Another danger indicator is a reduction in muscle mass and strength. This isn't simply about feeling a little weaker. It's about a visible reduction in your physical ability. You could find that your clothing fit differently, your exercises seem more hard, or you're losing muscle definition while keeping your training program. This may be tremendously annoying, particularly if you're putting in the effort to keep fit. This decrease of muscular mass may be followed by a rise in body fat, especially around the belly. You can discover that your waistline is increasing, even if your food and exercise habits haven't altered. Low testosterone may also emerge in the bedroom. A reduced sex desire, erectile dysfunction, and trouble attaining orgasm are all possible symptoms of low testosterone. These concerns may be unpleasant and might damage your self-worth and confidence. These changes may greatly affect your connection with your spouse and general quality of life. It's not only about bodily symptoms, it's about the emotional and psychological toll that these changes may take. If you encounter these indicators, it's crucial to speak to a healthcare practitioner. They can help you identify whether low testosterone is the reason and discuss various therapy choices. Remember, you're not alone and there are solutions to address these difficulties and restore your energy. Beyond age, unmasking the perpetrators of low testosterone. Testosterone is typically thought of as the hormone that characterizes masculinity, but its job in the body is considerably more complicated and crucial. It affects everything from muscle mass and bone density to mood and energy levels. Understanding the variables that lead to low testosterone is vital for sustaining general health and well-being. While it's true that testosterone levels normally fall with age. Attributing all testosterone-related disorders simply to aging is an oversimplification. Age is simply one component of the puzzle. Many younger men also have low testosterone, and the causes might be diverse. Low testosterone may affect men of all ages, and numerous causes might contribute to its reduction. It's not only about growing older, it's about how we live our life and the decisions we make every day. One of the biggest factors is a sedentary lifestyle. In today's digital world, many of us spend hours sitting at desks in front of computers or lazing on the sofa. This lack of activity may have a severe influence on our hormonal health. Lack of physical exercise and extended sitting might alter hormonal balance, leading to a drop in testosterone production to move. And when we don't, we suffer the price. Imagine your body as a well-tuned machine. If you leave it idle for too long, its components tend to corrode and malfunction. Regular exercise is like oiling the gears, keeping everything working smoothly. Stress is another key factor to low testosterone. In our fast-paced society, stress is nearly inescapable, but how we handle it may make a tremendous difference. Chronic stress causes the release of cortisol, the stress hormone, which may interfere with testosterone synthesis. When we're continually agitated, our bodies are in a state of fight or flight, which isn't helpful to maintaining appropriate testosterone levels. It's like having two faucets flowing concurrently cortisol. When the cortisol faucet is switched on, flowing too forcefully, it lowers the flow of testosterone. When the cortisol faucet is flowing too strongly, it diminishes the flow of testosterone. Managing stress via practices like meditation, deep breathing, and regular physical exercise may help keep cortisol levels in balance. Certain medical disorders such as obesity, type 2 diabetes, and obstructive sleep apnea may also alter testosterone levels. These disorders frequently create a vicious cycle where low testosterone leads to the condition, and the condition further reduces testosterone. These disorders typically go hand in hand, producing a vicious cycle that further exacerbates hormone abnormalities. For addressing these health conditions by lifestyle modifications, medical intervention, and correct management may help break the cycle and boost testosterone levels. Diet and lifestyle have a vital influence in maintaining appropriate testosterone levels. Eating a balanced diet rich in nutrients, obtaining regular exercise, and ensuring appropriate sleep are all vital components of a healthy lifestyle that promotes hormonal equilibrium. Sleep is extremely crucial. During deep sleep, the body generates the highest testosterone. Poor sleep quality or inadequate sleep may drastically lower testosterone levels. Prioritizing proper sleep hygiene may make a major impact. Social ties and mental well-being also play a role. Engaging in activities that offer pleasure, spending time with loved ones, and having a happy mindset may all contribute to higher testosterone levels. If you're suffering signs of low testosterone, such as exhaustion, sadness, or lower libido, it's crucial to check with a healthcare expert. They may assist uncover the underlying reasons and offer relevant therapies or lifestyle modifications. By recognizing and treating the numerous variables that contribute to low testosterone, men may take proactive actions to enhance their health and well-being. It's not only about age, it's about making educated decisions and taking responsibility of your health. Remember, testosterone is only one element of the whole. A holistic approach to health, encompassing physical, mental, and emotional well-being, is vital to living a vigorous and full life. So take command of your health, make good adjustments, and identify the perpetrators of low testosterone, and your body and mind will appreciate you. Low testosterone from suspicion to confirmation. Suspecting you could have low testosterone is the first step, but establishing the diagnosis takes a medical professional's competence. Don't self-diagnose solely on online searches or anecdotal evidence. The gold standard for identifying low testosterone is a simple blood test. This test evaluates the amount of testosterone in your bloodstream, offering a comprehensive picture of your hormonal health. It's like checking the oil level on your automobile, a fast and straightforward approach to check whether there's an issue. Before ordering the blood test, your doctor will likely question you about your symptoms, medical history, and lifestyle choices. This information helps them assess whether more inquiry is warranted. It's vital to note that testosterone levels change throughout the day, with levels normally being highest in the morning. Therefore, your doctor could prescribe having your blood taken at a specified time to get the most precise results.
Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.